Stefania Denona and welcome to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. It is Valentine's Day. Matches my hair. So I picked up the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Highlight Palette. I've not opened her. I always try to wait to like open things on camera so you guys can see like my actual reaction. So it's been very hard. First world problems, I know. So let's go ahead and get into this. I hope you guys are feeling the love today. Happy Valentine's Day from me to you guys. I absolutely love each and every one of you, and I hope that your hearts are nice and big and that you will show me some love by subscribing, because I am almost at my 1,000 point and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, enough. Let's get into this video. Okay, so first of all, I do want to say I did pick up, I made sure to like kind of go through my peach highlights, so we'll definitely do comparison swatches of peach ones I already have. I'm very nervous about the blush in this. Like the highlight color looks gorgeous, the blush color, I am very peachy and very light pink blush girl. Like I am not a maroon size. I'm not a maroon person or like a very deep blush. Like I'm really scared of them. Unless they're like orangey, you know? So this is what she looks like. The packaging is gorgeous. It's such a pretty peach. You guys know my weakness for peaches, and I would have loved it if she included a peach blush, but it's okay. We will see. I don't want to judge before I put it on, but she is okay. I was about to say it is bigger than I thought, but when you open it up, the pan sizes are pretty tiny, teensy tiny. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but at the same time, I never go through a highlighting product ever. So as much as I'm like, I should get more for this, you know, I'm like, I'm not gonna use it all, it's fine. It is really pretty and visually like so pretty to look at. So we'll do swatches at the end. Let's play with it on the face first. I am going to zoom you in. We're going to try this on the eyes as well. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll do the eyes last. We'll do the eyes last. Let's go ahead and put this on the face. So I already have my bronzer and foundation on. The blush color looks scary. Like I was saying, like look at this color. Like, okay. So what I'm going to do is actually take a beauty blender, because I don't have a lot of brushes for cream products, because I don't really use cream products. Does anybody else feel like that, or am I still like way behind on this? But creams scare me a little, not gonna lie. So I'm going to kind of just use the butt of the blender, and we're gonna go in very lightly because I'm scared. All right. I'm gonna use a blush. I don't want it to look like, you know, I just worked out or something. You know what I mean? That's a little scary. We're gonna blend that out. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of use this big brush because I can use it with cream products and hopefully it will blend out well. I'm gonna kind of take it back, but I can already tell like this is not going to be an everyday blush for me. I really don't like these types of blushes. How do you guys feel about these? I know I bought the palette, but definitely not for the blush shade. Okay, that way you guys can see nice and close up. So, it doesn't look bad by any means. It's just not my style. That's what I'm saying. I don't like it. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll do the Glow Cream, this shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger to tap into it, and it does have this nice little divider for your cream products, which I like, so that they don't get like really messy or into them. So we will see how this goes. Cream highlight I don't mind. It's cream blush and like other cream products, like I still, anytime I've tried like a cream bronzer, I just don't prefer them over dry products. I like maybe a contour stick or like a concealer to contour kind of thing, but that's really it as far as cream products go for me. Okay, so that's just the wet highlight side. I'm gonna take it up a little bit because I am gonna take up the color anyway. And then I think on one side I'll go in with one and then the other, and then we'll mix them, but that way you guys can, well, me too, so we can both together see each one. If I sound a little stuffy, I am. My clients always come in sick and they're like, but I'm okay. And I'm just like, but you shared it with me. Why would you do this? And I was supposed to go out for steak for Valentine's Day. I don't think that's happening anymore because I don't think I can taste food. Like, my nose is so stuffy and I know it's just gonna get worse. We're supposed to go out on Saturday and I'm like, if I cannot taste my steak, I'm gonna be upset. All right, so let's take this Glow Extreme shade first. We'll take it on this side. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty. I am liking that. I like how, so I'm trying to see if there's a difference though of like layering it. So let's go in a few more times. Add in a little bit more. It is that nice like wet looking highlight, which I love. I feel like this looks really, really pretty. All right, we're gonna take this pretty peach. This is the one I am most excited for. Definitely looks pigmented. Let's go in on this side. I'm gonna take that up. Okay, I'm gonna look at it close up. Okay, so close up, it does remind me a lot of like her duochromes, like the shades like Alba. It is peachy, but it's not picking up as much in camera as it is on person. Like in person, it's like super blinding. On the screen, it looks a little bit more toned down, but it definitely is blinding. So I'm gonna pick up that same peach shade and we are going to do this side as well and just kind of mix the two together. Because you can't have enough highlight, right? No, that's not true. You can have a ton. Okay, let's see how else we can use this. I am we'll see when my makeup is done. In person, I look very peachy and it's definitely a different type of highlight. I don't know if it's coming off that peachy like on the camera screen, but it's definitely not just like a wet looking one. I feel like on the camera it just looks wet. Okay, so I just wiped my gloss off because I think you can use the cream product for pretty much anything. So you can use it on your lip and kind of just blot it out. Again, this is just not my color in general, so I don't like this, but you might. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in nice and close. We're gonna try this stuff on the eyes. So what I'm going to do is use the cream side, the cream base, like the peachy one, and we're gonna put that on the eye. I had a lot of comments about my nails. I just can't be bothered, you guys. I just cannot do it. They fall off so fast. I don't understand. I'm like, we're supposed to get our hair done, my nails done, my body lasered. It's too much, okay? I ain't got time for that. All right, so you can definitely use this as an eyeshadow. So add it a little bit, and then now we are going to take the peachy shade and go over. Oh, that makes a really pretty shadow. Okay, so I just kind of mixed the two, but like as a shadow, it is very nice and flattering. Okay, I just grabbed a little baby brush and we are gonna do a little bit more of that peach right through there. And that's really nice. It feels so close to you guys right now. In a non-creepy way. All right, guys, so I just went ahead and added some mascara. I love my look today. I feel very just pretty, you know what I mean? Like, part of it is the pink hair, but aside from that, I just feel pretty. I will say though, it is a $55 palette. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I think she gets an A+ for packaging wise. I am such a sucker for peach. It's bad. But the pan size, if you compare it to like her big palettes, like definitely a big difference. Which I did read on there because somebody else commented that and she was like, it's not about the size of it or the product amount, it's about the formula, blah, blah, blah. Which is very true. So formula wise, I think this is great. I think it's just like her other ones. My little qualm, if you will say, is that I did do some swatches and I got some dupes. So the shade I really wanted to see if I had a dupe for, I will do just this shade. Like this first shade, we have this. Like, you know what I mean? It's not a unique type highlight by any means. It's just, it's the peach one that I'm like super into. So that's the first one. This is from the Bloom palette. This is the peachy one. And as you see, this is Alba. So Alba is her other duo glow, and I put this in my yearly favorites. I absolutely love her. Like, this is what she looks like. It's pretty freaking close. Like, you guys can see nice and close up. Like, this one is from the blush palette, and then this one's from Alba. And I don't know if I would really be able to tell a difference on the cheeks between the two. You know what I mean? Like, it's just very, very similar. And then I went ahead and swatched. This is Chrissy Teigen, the peach one. This is Anastasia Peach Nectar next to it. And then lastly, we have Daria from the blush palette as well. So they aren't that different. And I would say, especially if you have Alba, then you pretty much have this color. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Okay, so I'll be completely honest, I'm on the fence about keeping this. I think if you don't have her other blush palettes, if you don't have that shade Alba and the Duo Glow, then you're going to absolutely love this. But if you do have it, is it worth it to keep both? That's kind of my dilemma. I don't want to collect makeup, you know what I mean? And I wish it was a little bit more unique. I thought it was going to be a lot peachier compared to Alba. So, and two, I mean, I'm never going to go through this Alba one, so I'm like, do I really want to reach for this, considering I know I'm not going to use the creams that much, especially that blush shade. Like, yeah, I will say it looks a lot scarier in the pan than it was on the face, but it's not something I'm going to go out of my way to dig this out and like reach for as far as a blush shade goes. I'm just a peachy girl, you know? That's all it is. Or like a pale pink, but this is more like a rosy type pink. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I try to really make up my mind on products so I can give you guys the best about whether you're going to spend your money or not. And to be honest, because I have this already, I might not keep this. Formula wise, it was gorgeous, and the blush wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be, like I said. So if you love these shades, I think you'll get a lot of use out of this. Like I said, it's a beautiful product, formula wise, everything. But I just wish they weren't so similar. Even, you know, the Daria one it's not the same by any means, but it's just the Alba one, you know? It's just the Alba one that I'm like, I already have that. So I would say pick it up if you don't have any, you know, Alba, but if you already have Alba, you might be a little bit disappointed. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. I hope this was useful. I try to make them as useful as possible. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe before you leave. I do upload at least 4 times a week, so I would love for you guys to be part of my growing family. And have a great Valentine's Day. I am now ready. I don't know. I think I'm going to go sleep on the couch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very much. Let me know if you're going to pick it up, or your thoughts, or do you agree with me, or you think I'm crazy. I don't know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.